Okay, welcome back to the channel, and today we've got something a little bit different. Another project, even though I said no more projects. And then this fell in my lap. So it's a 2007 Holden Calais VE. She's pretty rough. Had a ding or two, but the price was right, so hopefully we can have a quick flip on this one. Just clean it up. It's got rego until late January. We'll should clean up well. Interior is pretty neat, except for the hood lining here starting to flap in the breeze. But she's pretty grimy. Been sitting outside. Had some electrical problems, and they just wanted to get rid of it. Got a broken tail light here. I did order another one, and I ended up ordering the wrong side. Back window falls down. Need to repair that. But apart from that, I think with a scrub, this one will come up pretty good. And we shall flip it, get rid of it, and hopefully put some money back into the other projects. So there she is. First step's probably a clean, I think. So I'll give her a scrub and we'll get into it. Well, she scrubbed up all right. Actually running pretty sweet. Got all that grime off. Still just waiting, that's just water. Waiting for it to dry. But at least it looks good clean. Now to address the other issues. Hopefully we won't take too long. So we got the rear window regulator out. Unfortunately, I was hoping just one of the cables had come off, which it actually had. However, there's a couple of bits of broken plastic there, which is a clip which holds one of the cables on. So unfortunately, this one's no good. You can see there the cable had somehow kinked over and then end up coming off the tracks. Pulled the end of the cable out, breaking those two little plastic clips. So luckily on Sunday, today is Thursday, but on Sunday I have a mate with one and we'll go and take it off and replace it, and we'll get our window going up and down again. And unfortunately I didn't see that, but there is some tinting has been damaged, which is a bugger. But anyway, moving on. Okay, procrastinating now, but we might just take this little thing out and peel this wrap or whatever it is off. We'll get some special plastic paint, paint it black. And when I say special paint, I mean just whatever I've got in the shed. And yeah, we'll paint that black and make that look a little bit nicer. Well, back in the shed. It's a bit windy outside to do any filming, but the VE Calais is gone. We flipped that pretty quick. Pretty surprised how popular the old Commodores and Calais still are. We did have to do a bit of work on it, spend a bit of money. New timing chains, new spark plugs, new radiator, full service obviously, and we'd put a new battery in it, so a bit over $2,500 all there. Plus I did have to put another tail light on it, and I ordered the wrong tail light. So yeah, bit extra cost, but we did make a little bit of money on it, which is good. I was hoping to do a bit more filming on that one, but it was at the mechanics for a little bit too long, and then it sold really quickly. In fact, it was probably sold the day I picked it up. I could have sold it there and then for $2,500–3,000, but I just couldn't do it with all the work that needed fixing. But anyway, sorry I didn't film too much on that one, but they're not really my thing. The Commodores was a really nice car, but looking at the channel moving forward, we've just about to start on the FX Holden Ute, hopefully. So yeah, maybe we'll get a few more projects in between then. Still got lots of work to do on the bikes, and especially the BSA M20 is actually what I'm going to be doing this weekend. It's driving me nuts and I really want to get it sorted. Runs really well, but not changing gears. Something's wrong with the clutch. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, and hopefully see you on the next one.